Hi girls, I'm going to tell you how to log into MindSpark and use OTP today. So if you remember, you must have seen this particular post in which I have given you different steps to follow for doing MindSpark. So first thing, I hope you all watched my video. The second step is open mindspark.in and log in. So for this, what you will do is you're going to take your phone. In your phone you're going to go to Google, and in Google what I am doing is I'm going to type, okay, I'm typing mindspark.in. You see that mindspark.in, and I'm going go. I'm searching for mindspark.in and it's going to load for me. So once it loads, you will see this logo. If your network is slow, please wait for it. So once you open this, you will see this. Now a lot of you are searching where is the login button, right? So if you see this 3, right? If you press on this particular thing, you will see login on the top. So go to login. Yes, that will lead you here. Now I have to type a username. So as I told you, I am going to use Dashmis. Let me quickly go to the sheet. If you remember, I sent you this sheet. In this, I can check that Dashmis is here. This is Dashmis username and this is Dashmis password. You don't need to enter this code right like anywhere. You just have to check your username and you have to check your password. So I'm going to type Dashmi's username here. So Dashmi's username DASHMI.MEN Yes, once I typed her username, I'm going to go next. Now it's asking me for password. Password is the same thing. I'm going to type the same thing. DASHMI.MENGADE. After doing this, if I want to check if I did the right password, I'm going to click on show. See, I clicked the right password and now I'm going to click on login. So once I get here, it's asking me for parent details. So what I'm doing here is what I am going to for Dashmi, I am giving my details. For you, what you can do is give your Avasara email ID. So for example, if I am giving you my Avasara email ID, it's going to be Hasini dot at avasara.in, right? Once I press this, next it's asking for phone number. So I'm going to give my phone number. 8130761123. Now I typed my mail ID and I typed my phone number also. So I'm going to press verify. Yes, now if you look at here, this is my email address and it is asking me for a code, and here I see a timer, right? Within that given time I have to type the email ID. So what I will do is just give me a minute. What I will do is I still have 1 minute 30 seconds. In this gap I am going to quickly check my mail ID and go for the code. So if I go to my email address, I will see MindSpark. I am clicking on it. If you see, there is a code 1392. This is the OTP 1392. So immediately I am going to take my phone. I am going to go there and I am going to type the code 1392. Done. After doing this, now I am going to click on this button. So this is giving me another code and it is asking me verify. So I will be getting a message to my phone. If you see, I just got a message. I'm quickly going to the message. In the message, if you see the code, it is 7947. Just give me a minute. So I'm going to type 7947. Yes. Now the time is left, right? Within this given time, I have to type the code and I have to click submit. So now they are asking for new password. I told you please don't change the password. So what you're going to do is, Dashmi's previous password was Dashmi dot her surname. I'm going to give the same password here. DASHMI dot MENGADE. Re-enter the same password. Means I have to type the same thing. DASHMI dot MENGADE. So I type the same password which was in the sheet. Then I'll go next. Then they will ask, these help you if you forget your password. Choose a secret question. So I'm going to choose a secret question. So here it is like the name of my first school is. What is the name of my first school? If this is the question, what will be the answer? It will be Avasara. AVASARA. I typed Avasara. Now they are asking for my date of birth. For me, I am keeping it as 19 September 1995. Yes, I'm very old. So that's fine. After keeping the date of birth, I'm going to click submit. See, successfully created your password. Now I'll again have to click on login. Yes. So now if I see, I can access all the topics that are activated by Miss Hasini. So this is the process. Please follow all the steps properly and I hope you are able to do it. Also, in case if you are again doubtful, Miss Hasini, how will the number OTP be done? If you go to your messages, there will be a message sent by this. And if I go to that message, you can see 4-digit numbers as OTP. Please don't confuse your email address OTP with your phone number OTP. Email address OTP should be typed near the email address. Phone number OTP should be typed near the phone. Thank you.